Hi, it's Colleen Bain from Enhanced Learning Skills for Kids. This is video 3 in a quick series of videos on brain skills. And what I wanted to speak to you about in this video is the reporting that you'll have access to as a do-it-yourselfer when you're going through brain skills. And why the reporting is good is because, as the coach per se, right, that you're going to be working with your child, you'll have a good idea of where your child is at besides just looking at their dashboard. But the reporting will give you information on every single exercise that your child's working on. Every day that your child's working on the exercise, it will let you know how many passes were made, how many fails were made on like these levels. And what you need to know when you're looking through all these reports is the way that Brain Skills is set up is that if your child, the game is set up not to hold your child back per se. So if your child is able to get through a level, like an exercise level at a lower speed, because each of these exercises go up to certain speeds, like the top speed is 4. So some of them go up to 4, some don't. Like sound analysis, it's not going to go any faster, right? So there's only like one level on that for the sounding, for decoding. But in the other levels, if your child's unable to pass at the faster speeds, the game will keep your child at a lower speed. So that's great that your child's moving through the game, but some things that you can do is once your child has progressed through at the lower speed for X amount of time and is moving through, what you have the ability to do as a do-it-yourselfer coach now is to go in and actually change that level speed, and you can try your child on the game at level 2. So you start to individualize how your child's progressing through this game based upon the data that you're seeing. So if your child's moving through all these exercises at a very low level and is closed out, okay, so let's say if we get through an exercise and they can't do anything else, they've done all the levels now, but they went through everything at a speed of 1. Well, now you have the ability to go back in and reopen that exercise and try to help your child get through it at a speed 2. So there's just some things that you need to be aware of, and you'll have access to them. I'll give you access to like parent tutorials and student introductions and just like behind the scenes kind of tips that you may need to know when you're going through the game to help your child as a do-it-yourselfer. And then don't forget, you have that 30-minute consult with me. You do have the ability to email me for support. There's just some basic limitations on the email that you'll see. So it's just trying to organize and control the amount of time that you're reaching to me so that it makes sense that you're getting the most value out of it too. So we just sort of shape a little bit around putting a little bit of boundaries around the amount of email and time that you reach to me. And then from there you're good to go. The only thing that is not mentioned so far around the reporting is like a pre and post assessment. You do have that availability as well. So that's why when you're looking at some of the competitors that are doing like a Brain Skills, you'll see that my pricing is just a little bit more than what theirs is, and that's because I'm including all in one your pre and post assessment and your email support, tips and tricks and things like that that you need to know. So with that, you'll have a full package because you'll be able to understand and see where your child resides as far as ability to learn. You'll understand now because the information will give you a whole story as to why your child is learning differently or why your child's been struggling in school. It'll be those aha moments you'll get from your pre and post assessment. The post assessment is going to come in and show you the changes that have been that have happened now since you've worked through Brain Skills. So what you'll see is, just for example, one of the ways that the assessments report out is in like an age equivalent. So if we were to say that your child's pre-assessed at like an 8-year-old and your child's 10. So in a certain area, they had skills of an 8-year-old. So your post-assessment would hopefully show you that your child is now functioning at a 10-year-old or above a 10-year-old. So, you would be able to say now that your child can learn at a 10-year-old. Whether or not remediation's there because they've been compensating and learning at an 8-year-old level for so long, I don't know that. That's one of the things with the do-it-yourselfer. You're sort of on your own trying to figure this out, but I'm there through email support as much as I can. And, if for any reason when you're going down the journey and you figure out that you need a lot more help than what was expected, because your child does need a lot of remediation and your child needs a lot of help integrating these stronger skill sets back into the classroom, they need to know some cognitive strategies, you always have the opportunity to reach to me and upgrade to do some of the consults with me and to sort of shift it over into more of the student transformation program where I work one-on-one with parents. And I also have group options for that as well, so that you can work in a community of like-minded parents going through the same thing. So there's a lot of options for you. So I do tell parents, if they want to, go right ahead and start out with do it yourself. And then you can always move from there into various options. So we support you no matter what option you're going for. And then along the journey, because you have to remember it is a journey with your child. There isn't anything out there that is like a magic bullet. But the brain training programs like Brain Skills is what you need as a very strong foundation to get started on your journey, because then you're working with new pathways and stronger ability to learn. So wherever you move from here, whether it's back into the classroom or if you have to take your child to like a learning center, like a Sylvan or a Huntington, you'll be able to get much better results because they're working with the child which has a great strong ability to learn now as opposed to previous, and also has new pathways. So they're able to reach your child, and your child's able to retain and recall now, where before they were unable to do that, whether it's blocked pathways or they didn't have enough pathways or their skill set in general was just too low and the teacher could not make that connection to be able to transfer knowledge. All right, so I hope I've answered enough questions so that you're able to move forward sooner than later and help your child start strengthening their ability to learn. Remember, I'm going to be there for you for the do-it-yourselfers. I'll be there through email, and then we'll go from there and support you along the journey. So good luck, and reach to me if you have any concerns. Don't forget, like, once you make your purchase, you got that free 30-minute consultation coming your way. So after you hit the Buy Now button below, you'll be taken to purchase the program. Then you'll receive your thank you for the purchase, and you'll be directed to make an appointment using my online calendar so that you can get scheduled right away for your 30-minute consult. All right, so I hope to be talking to you soon, and good luck in your program, and I'm excited to hear any kind of follow-up on how well your child did between the pre and the post. I'll be looking forward to hearing your success stories. Until next time.